In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV as a T-Mobile customer. If you're wondering how to take advantage of your T-Mobile perks or optimize your streaming experience, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. If you're a T-Mobile customer, you may already have access to some great benefits for streaming live sports. T-Mobile has partnered with certain services in the past to offer promotions or discounts, so check if there are any current deals for YouTube TV subscribers. Once you've confirmed your options, sign up for YouTube TV at tv.youtube.com if you haven't already. After subscribing, download the YouTube TV app on your preferred device, such as a smart TV, phone, tablet, or streaming stick, and log in to your account. Use the app to browse the channel lineup and find the live football game you want to watch on networks like ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC. As a T-Mobile customer, you can also enjoy faster streaming speeds if you're using a 5G-enabled device, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted gameplay. Additionally, make sure your internet connection is stable, whether you're using T-Mobile home internet or another provider. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV as a T-Mobile customer, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.